While we are proud of our achievements, it is important for me to say at the very outset that during the last 21 years, we have thus far only achieved around 30% of what we have set for ourselves to achieve. We have 70% of the journey still ahead of us. But let me tell you what specific achievements we have accomplished during the last 21 years. These achievements have been attained by a very large team which has grown over the years, and it stands presently at around 300 competent, inspired, young people. And of course, there have been subgroups within this larger set of 300 people who should be given the credit for the achievements that I'm now going to outline. We have basically got 6 major achievements to our credit. First, we have conceived and facilitated the establishment of the world's largest in situ conservation network of around 110 forest gene banks, each of around 200 hectares size, located in the north, south, east and west of India across 12 states. A network which conserves wild populations of the medicinal plants of India. This is indeed the largest conservation network in the entire tropical world. Our second achievement is that we have established the country's most reliable databases and a national herbarium of the medicinal plants of India. These databases include data on the medicinal botanicals of the country, and they also include databases on the traditional pharmacology of medicinal plants documented across centuries from around 1500 BC to 1900 AD. Our third major achievement is that we have established basic laboratories for chemistry, microbiology, molecular biology, for translating traditional health sciences into good modern science. This is indeed a very complex task and requires people of competence both in traditional health sciences, the Shastras as we refer to them, as well as competence in basic sciences. Our fourth major achievement is that we have laid the foundations for the country's first integrative healthcare hospital. It is a 100-bed facility. We visualize that this will grow over the next 5 years into a 300-bed facility, and it will be a facility where under one single roof, citizens can get access to integrative healthcare. By integrative healthcare, we mean a healthcare which will manage emergencies and acute conditions using Western medicine, manage surgery also using Western medicine, manage chronic conditions, manage common conditions, manage prevention, manage wellness using the genius of Indian systems of healthcare like Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Swarikpa, Yoga. Our fifth major achievement is that we have inspired a nationwide movement for the revitalization of community-based health practices. Many of our people do not realize that India has an immensely rich health culture, and the first provider of health care is the household, not hospital, not clinic. Millions of households are carriers of knowledge regarding home remedies, regarding food and nutrition, regarding prevention, and regarding wellness. And we have, over the last 2 decades, created a nationwide movement for revitalization of these household health practices and community health practices that are led by folk healers or community-based healers, midwives, bone setters, herbal healers, and so on, 1 million of them. Our most recent and sixth achievement is that we have established India's first transdisciplinary university, legislated by the government of Karnataka, a university that has provided a platform for interface between Indian knowledge systems, the Shastras, and biology, life sciences, engineering, pharmacy, social sciences, and the fine and performing arts.